I got a few little updates. First, if you missed the previous video, we just announced an official collaboration with Marvel on a Marvel storytelling and drawing course. We've been working on it with them for the past 2 years, and I'm excited to finally get it out there. It's 20% off during the pre-sale, so if you're gonna get it, do it before the pre-sale ends. And the other thing is, we're bringing back a summer sale. You're done with school, you got nothing to do, you slackers. Do something useful. Pick up a drawing course or some photo reference and brush packs. We have stuff on drawing, sculpting, painting, anatomy, concepting, comics, caricature, portraits. We have a bunch of stuff. And don't forget, you can double up on the discounts if you bundle your courses. The sale ends on June 12th, and it's over at Proko.com. All right, heads you get 10% off, tails you get 20. Damn kangaroo. Why is there a kangaroo on the coin?